Hi, my name's Logan and I'm an account manager here at WebFX. Over the last 5 years, I've had over 1,200 hours of experience helping manufacturing companies run their SEO, PPC, and geofencing campaigns. Today, we're going to talk about 4 tips and tricks that you can use at your manufacturing company to elevate your marketing campaigns. Start by creating content that speaks directly to your target audience. Think through questions that they might have and use content to educate them about your products and services. Content isn't just about words on a web page either. Consider using video content and graphics to create more engaging content for your users. Not everyone's willing to sit down and read a 1,000-word article, but some people are more than willing to watch a 5-minute video or review a graphic that explains your products and services. Content isn't just beneficial for an SEO campaign. You can also use it for email marketing or social media to help educate your users across different marketing channels. Tip 2. Utilize paid search as a part of your marketing strategy. Paid search is a great way where we can immediately provide a boost to your business. We can grow visibility, increase leads, and ultimately drive revenue using paid search. When thinking through your paid search strategy, consider using both Google Ads and Microsoft Ads. Google Ads will get the lion's share of users, but Microsoft Ads is a great way to drive efficient leads in a platform that has a little bit less competition than Google. When thinking through budgets, I would give 80% of the budget to Google Ads and 20% to Microsoft Ads. Tip 3, consider using LinkedIn to reach your target audience. If you're interested in doing social media, then we suggest that you start with LinkedIn. Organically on LinkedIn, we recommend that you post multiple times per week. This could be anything from posting content that you created for the website, industry news, or even company activities that are going on. Posting multiple times per week on LinkedIn will allow you to engage with your audience, and it creates a trust signal that you're a thought leader in the space. Paid ads on LinkedIn are also a great way to utilize your ad budget. On LinkedIn, you can target your audience by using company names, company industries, or job titles. This is a great way where we can get in front of the exact person who would be a good customer for you. Tip number 4, track and report on all digital marketing channels. One of the biggest blind spots we see when working with manufacturing clients is a lack of tracking and reporting. It's pivotal that you're able to track leads coming in through the website and accurately attribute them to the channel that they came in through. We'll want to take this a step further and also track closed deals and revenue by marketing channel. Being able to attribute ROI by marketing channel will allow you to make more informed decisions on how you should utilize your marketing budget. At the end of the day, the best marketing strategy for your company is the one that works. And the only way we can know if a marketing strategy works is if we have tracking and reporting set in place to make good decisions. If you're looking for a comprehensive digital marketing strategy that works for your business, get in touch with our team of manufacturing experts here at WebFX.